In this video, we are going to talk about India's fighter jets. When we talk about strength of country's military, we often think of soldiers, tanks, or ships. But in modern warfare, air power plays a very important role. One of the most powerful tools of any air force is fighter jet. These are fast, powerful, and advanced aircraft to protect our nation's skies. So, what exactly is a fighter jet? So, this is what we are going to discuss in this video. Before looking into fighter jets, let us see about the types of military jets in India. There are many types of aircrafts which are built for different purposes. Fighter jets are mainly used to fight other aircraft in the sky. They are fast, agile, and they are also armed with air-to-air missiles. The examples for fighter jets are Sukhoi 30 MKI and Rafale jets. Next one is attack jets. These are used to attack targets on the ground. For example, the aircrafts may drop bombs on enemy buildings or can attack the tanks on the ground. So they are made for air to ground attack. Examples for these type of aircrafts are Jaguar, A-10 Thunderbolt. The next type is bomber jets. These aircrafts can carry heavy bombs over long distances and they destroy big targets like enemy bases. Example for this type is B-2 Spirit of USA. The next type is reconnaissance jets. These are used to collect information about enemy areas. They also have cameras and sensors to take photos and they record data. Next one is trainer jets. These aircrafts are used to train pilots before they fly to real combat. Example for this is HAL Tejas trainer. So these are different types of military aircrafts. Now let us see about the fighter jets. So take a look at this picture. These are some of the famous fighter aircrafts. Indian Air Force currently operates around 900 combat aircraft. It approximately has 31 fighter squadrons. And the backbone of our fighter aircraft is Sukhoi 30 MKI. We have approximately around 272 Sukhoi M30. India also operates 36 Rafale jets and more than 2 squadrons of Mirage 2000. We also have approximately 69 MiG-29 and 139 Jaguar aircraft. We also have HAL Tejas aircraft of about 20 in service. Now let us see about the fighter aircrafts. India has a strong and diverse set of fighter jets. We have bought these jets from different countries like Russia and France, and some of them are even made in India. The most important and widely used fighter jet in India is Sukhoi 30 MKI, simply called as Su-30 MKI. Other important fighter jets in India include Rafale, MiG-29, MiG-21, Mirage 2000. So this MiG-29 and MiG-21 are from Russia. Mirage is from France. Rafale is also from France. And Sukhoi 30 MKI is jointly produced by Russia and India. So these are the important fighter aircrafts of India: Sukhoi 30 MKI, Rafale, Tejas, MiG-29, MiG-21, Mirage 2000. So take a look at this table. Now let us focus on this specific aircraft, Sukhoi 30 MKI. This is a multi-role air superiority fighter jet. Multi-role aircraft means it can perform many roles. We have seen the fighter aircraft and attack aircrafts, air-to-ground attack aircrafts. But this is a multi-role aircraft, which means it can fight the enemy aircraft in the sky and it can also attack the enemies on the ground. So this is why it is called as multi-role aircraft. And the MKI in Sukhoi 30 means modernized Komarchesky Indisky, which means modern commercial version built for India. This aircraft Sukhoi 30 MKI was designed by Russia's Sukhoi Design Bureau, but it is manufactured in India by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited under a special agreement between India and Russia. It was inducted into Indian Air Force in 2002 and since then Sukhoi 30 became a backbone of Indian Air Force. Su-30 MKI It is a twin engine aircraft, which means it has two engines and it gives more power and better performance. It can fly at a speed of over Mach 2, which means it can fly at a speed twice the speed of sound. And it has a range of about 3000 kilometers without refueling. And with the help of aerial refueling, it can fly even longer distances. Su-30 MKI is also equipped with modern radar systems and avionics. It also carries different kinds of weapons. Air-to-air missiles like Astra and R-77, air-to-ground missiles and guided bombs. Most importantly, it carries BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. This is one of the fastest missiles in the world, and this aircraft can strike with high accuracy. So far, more than 200 Su-30 MKI have been assembled in India by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So this makes it one of the largest projects under Make in India initiative in defense sector. India has also upgraded many of these jets with a new radar system, indigenous missiles, and advanced electronic warfare equipment. In terms of deployment, Su-30 MKI is stationed at many air bases across India. It is also stationed near the western border with Pakistan and also near the eastern border near China. So the presence of Su-30 MKI acts as a strong deterrent against our enemy's aggression. As I said earlier, fighter jets are the backbone of any air force. They have quick response to aerial threats. They form the air superiority in case of conflict. It provides strategic deterrence with modern 4.5 and 5th generation jets. Rafale is a 4.5 generation jet, and we have Sukhoi variants of 5th generation jets. The fighter jets boost to indigenous defense because India and Russia are producing many fighter jets under Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and Tejas is also one of the projects under HAL. So with this, let us conclude the video.